Hey there, it's Real Bob Shady. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be talking about T-Nex and the results that I saw whenever I left to go out of town for a few days. So, without further ado, let's get started. I told you in a few videos back that I'd be doing a video on T-Nex Plant Growth Regulator. When you're dealing with products like plant growth regulators, they weren't necessarily designed for the homeowner. They weren't necessarily designed for amateurs. It's definitely a product, if you do your research, you'll be able to handle and deal with. That's no problem at all. But it is something that you need to spend a little bit more extra time researching and understanding before you get out there and you try to put this down in your yard. There are implications on the different type of turf grass that you got, temperature, all sorts of stuff. So in order to address that, I'm not doing a big video teaching you everything you need to know about plant growth regulators, but what I did do is put together what I think is a really comprehensive list of videos in a playlist. So if you're on the YouTube channel, just go over to the playlist that I've created called Plant Growth Regulators. There's a lot of really good videos there that you can watch, and they'll teach you a lot of the things that you need to know, probably enough to give you a good insight into everything to move forward. So just go watch that playlist for you, and I feel like if you do that, if you watch through those videos in that playlist that I've got you, you're going to be good to go on putting down these products. But I wanted you guys to know that this isn't going to be an exhaustive explanation of what T-Nex does, any sort of science like that. I'm just going to show you what my results are putting down this product and then leaving for a little bit over a week. What am I coming back to in terms of growth? When you're mixing this, you're going to want to make sure you got some water in here before you actually put your product in. We're out at the Ravalli Airport in Montana, about to get a flight up into those mountains. So I've been out of town for quite some time, and before we get started going over our results from the PGR, the mail came when I was out of town. So we need to add some people to the 180B club. Mr. Brett from Brett's Suckscapades. If you haven't checked out his channel, you need to go check it out. That's Brett from Brett's Suckscapades, or I think it's Grasscapades. Maybe that's it. And then my boy Brandon Davis from over at Lawn Time Coming. You can go check him out. So you boys are going to be joining the 180B Club. Thank you. I am absolutely amazed. I mean, you can't even tell where that came through. I am astounded. All right, so I just took one little pass over. I've been gone for 8 days. Normally, I would have cut within 8 days probably 3 times. That's the longest at this height of cut I've gone without mowing my yard. The rain's coming in. I got to give you the results. I think they speak for themselves. You probably from right there can't even tell the difference between this swath cut and right here. I can, but I think it's plain and simple from the results. If you're keeping this height of cut, this stuff works magic. Results speak for themselves. You guys need to run out and get this if you've got a low cut, or if you have various instances where you're going to be going out of town and you're worried about you're coming back to a jungle. This stuff is awesome. Easy application. It is a little expensive, but it's worth it. So check out the playlist for the PGR that I have on the YouTubes. And let's get out of this weather. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we will see you guys soon, and let's get real.